Good evening, guys. So right now we are here inside the train, and with me, John and Abby, and we are having a dinner. They call this actually this is a cafeteria of this train, and we are traveling going to Melbourne. So this is what they have here.
Ito yung chicken teriyaki, may rice? Wala namang rice ah.
Ayun na.
Kunti, isang kutsara na.
Kaya binigyan ka ng tinapay.
So this is the buffet. They call it buffet. This is the restaurant. Justin Bieber. So instead, because we are sitting in different chair in a different couch or different seat, we are going to eat together in here.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. For those passengers who joined this service throughout the night, welcome aboard. I'd like to advise passengers the buffet situated in car seat is open and serving a light breakfast. Available for breakfast, we have plain toast, raisin toast, spreads which consist of Vegemite, strawberry jam and marmalade, tea, coffee, hot chocolate, plain croissants with jam and butter, and ham and cheese croissants. This buffet will remain open until shortly before our arrival into Southern Cross this morning. I'd also like to advise passengers that this service is currently running on time. Please listen out for any other announcements as to our arrival into Broadmeadows and Southern Cross this morning. Just repeating, the buffet situated in car seats is open and serving a light.
So after 11 hours, we finally reached the Melbourne. So once again, good morning guys. We finally reached the Melbourne. We don't have a place to stay. We'll be looking for it later. And we meet now Adrian. Adrian is also coming from Dubai, you know that. And now he's working here. Now we are going to have our breakfast here in Saki Junior. It's a Japanese restaurant. At the moment, there's just one guy and us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total of 5 people at the moment. It's around 7 o'clock in the morning. If you want to have a heavy big breakfast. Bakit ba? So if you want to have a big heavy breakfast, pwede yun, big heavy breakfast.
Big na
Come here in Saki Junior and they have this. You just need to choose from the food there and you can take like this, the same price, but mine is small, for Abby is big and too much. This is the luggage of John and you know the things. And now they are looking for a place to stay. So they go personally to the hotel and they will ask if there is a vacant room for the 4 of us. And I hope that it's going to be cheap. And I check in hotels.com but expensive. Ang dami mong dala. Ang dala para kang homeless na mayaman. hotel that we find on the internet. And also we walk in and yeah, the same. Affordable, just $100 for one night stay. The rest of the hotel are more than 100 and that's expensive for us. And because our check-in time is 2 o'clock and we still have a lot, so we are going to roam around the city and we will show it to you. Children, they are wearing all red, nice looking. So this is the Pasig River. Now it's clean because because of Rodrigo Duterte government. So everything looks clean now. And Rodrigo Duterte changed this. This is the Manila. Ano ba yan? Manila yung may ilaw, di ba? May ganyan.
City Hall.
Yeah, this is the City Hall of Manila. You see the clock? I am just joking, of course. So we are now in this place. This is something like the center of, I don't know. Look at this, a lot of graffiti here. Not just this, but there are also some more on the side. You see, that's Filipinas street plan. Christmas tree.
Grabe yung mga puno na to na nadaanan pa dati ng mga ninuno no nang dumaan sila dito na.
Oh. Fitzroy Gardens. This one. It's a big park. If you're on this side, it looks like you're on a different world. It's peak hour, so yeah, it's almost similar to Sydney when it's busy hours. The time now is around 12 o'clock, so people are outside and looking for a place to. It's time to check in. 342, this one. Abi yung accommodation namin sa Dubai, ganyan, di susi ng ganyan, di ba, dyan?
Ay, yan mo yung cover bag mo. Oh my God.
So in here, there is a 2 small single bed and there is 1 very big bed on that side.
Anong oras flight niyo bukas?
Gabi pa,
Ah, okay.
alas 8.
So, alas 6.
TV. A mirror. And this. They have a coffee machine, I mean coffee maker, a kettle. And this is the shower. Yeah, they have a big toilet, but not the best toilet. This one. So it's not, yeah, just very basic hotel room.